Find unique rows in numpy.array. I need to find unique rows in a numpy.array. For example, I know that I can create a set and loop over the array, but I am looking for an efficient pure numpy solution. I believe that there is a way to set data type to void and then I could just use numpy.unique, but I couldn't figure out how to make it work.
As of numpy 1.13, one can simply choose the axis for selection of unique values in any NDEM array. To get unique rows, one can do unique_rows equals np.unique original_array, axis equals 0.
Yet another possible solution.
Another option to the use of structured arrays is using a view of a void type that joins the whole row into a single item. Edit added np.asContiguous array following at Seberg's recommendation. This will slow the method down if the array is not already contiguous. Edit the above can be slightly sped up, perhaps at the cost of clarity, by doing. Also, at least on my system, performance-wise it is on par, or even better, than the lexsort method.
If you want to avoid the memory expense of converting to a series of tuples or another similar data structure, you can exploit NumPy's structured arrays. The trick is to view your original array as a structured array where each item corresponds to a row of the original array. This doesn't make a copy, and is quite efficient. As a quick example, to understand what's going on, have a look at the intermediary results. Once we view things as a structured array, each element in the array is a row in your original array. Basically, it's a similar data structure to a list of tuples. Once we run numpy.unique, we'll get a structured array back. That we then need to view as a normal array, stores the result of the last calculation in IPython, which is why you're seeing _.view ... And then reshape back into a 2D array. -1 is a placeholder that tells NumPy to calculate the correct number of rows, give the number of columns. Obviously, if you wanted to be more concise, you could write it as which results in